Special greetings, my dear students. In previous video class, we seen a computer language. We seen up to third generation language. Now we are going to see fourth generation language. Students, in our book they are given up to only fourth generation language, but there is currently now we are using fifth generation language, that is AI, artificial intelligence. Fifth generation language we are using the military force now itself, robots and everything. We are means robots, military, so many places we are using artificial intelligence. Okay. If I want to say example, Sophia, it is a robot. It is like a human. If you go and if you talk, it will respond to you like a human. How your father, mother responding to you, same way it will respond to you. But there is a big drawback. The thing is what? Artificial intelligence, it will think humans how we are thinking. Humans how we are thinking, same way this artificial intelligence will think. And when few scientists while research time, they while checking time, when they asked, so one robot told future only robots will live. Means they are what the way their robot IQ level is very high. If they are telling one answer, to identify this is a true or false, I am talking about the critical things. To identify this true or false for a human, at least it will take 10 years. 10 years, 4 5 scientists or 10 scientists, any scientist, to identify that one answer, it will take 10 years. So if they will leave such type of artificial robot outside, definitely it can be a mankind, means it can totally kill the mankind. That's why artificial intelligence, they stop, they are providing only limited robots. Okay. Now we can see a fourth generation language. In fourth generation language, it is user friendly. Sir, what is user friendly? What is meant by user friendly? Do you have any idea? Okay, my dear, your father is buying one new tablet or Apple mobile or laptop, anything. Is anyone is sitting near to you? So like this you have to press, it will on, or you should open the game. Is anyone is teaching you game? No, you are learning by yourself, correct? And anyone is helping teaching you how to use a mobile or how to use a tablet? Anyone is teaching you? No, you are learning by yourself. That is called user friendly. Very easy to learn. Very easy to learn. That is called user friendly. So this fourth generation language is user friendly. Very easy to learn. That programming languages. High speed, and it will be very very high speed. If you go to the first generation language, over. It will give answer 30 minutes, 40 minutes for only small sum. Scientists and humans, we have to sit and we have to watch. The thing is what, that time one machine is giving answer. That is the biggest thing. Okay, that is a very biggest wonder that time. But now we are developed more, so we are not focusing. It is very slow like that. We are not focusing that. And minimum effort, they will do very less work and it will perform more and more work. Example, in Excel, cells will be there. If you add here 10, 11, autofill is the last year you learned autofill. When you move your mouse cursor, it will change as a plus. Click and drag, automatically numbers will be filled. Means minimum effort, but work is more. Your computer will do that work. At last, reduction time and cost of software development. Students, nowadays, if you go into the software IT companies or any IT sectors, they are not selecting the person who is developing the software, who is knowing C, C++, Java, means so many programs are there. Nowadays, they are not focusing on those are knowing this much program, those are more talented in program. No. Nowadays, IT sector is focusing on who is good in designing, who is good in designing. Why? The main reason is what? Before all, we have to write a program. We have to type where is error, we have to rectify. But nowadays, no need to type a program. Every one software will be there. When you will open, just you have to design. When you will design, automatically code, computer will write by itself. You no need to write a code. Computer will write a code by itself. Okay, that is called fourth generation language. Means no need to write, no need to do that much. But in third generation, high level language, all the C or C++, whatever we are learning, that all will come in a third generation. In fourth generation, you no need to do anything. Just you design. You design, computer will make a programming. It will write the code automatically. So nowadays and future, especially in future, in IT sector, they are focusing on who is good in designing. Okay, who is good in designing. So this is the things. And for your examination, up to now, what were things I taught, only learn that much and give special preference for MCQ, fill in the blanks. In the first and second chapter, what are things I uploaded in our school website, please kindly go through it and learn it. Okay, first and second chapter, please kindly study. And thanks for watching.